Someone asked this question right here, saying, how can we be sure Jesus said this other than it says so in the Bible? And this is a great question, because once we see and understand this, we'll actually see how credible and reliable the Bible is and what Jesus' words are. So it will actually prove the Bible rather than discredit it. So let's take a look. To question the four Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, is to question any other historical book that was written, because we don't have first-hand video recordings, audio recordings, anything. We just have witnesses of people that saw what happened and wrote it down. So if you question the four Gospels, which are simply eyewitness historical books, you are questioning every other historical event that happened as well that was written down. So history works by looking at the following things to verify sources and writings. They can say, how early were the sources? Were they actual eyewitnesses? And we see with the Gospels, we have 3 of the 4 were actually eyewitnesses to Jesus' life. We have Matthew, Mark, who got his perspective from Peter, and then John. Those were 3 of the disciples that gave their witnesses. And so we need to realize that these are first historical books before they were actually considered religious texts. They were simply explaining what was going on. In the beginning of the Gospel of Luke, he's writing to a ruler in Rome, and he says, I'm writing to you an orderly account so you can see everything that has happened concerning the life of Jesus. So these guys are writing history. They're not writing religious texts. They're free from bias, and they're showing exactly what happened. So the life of Jesus, in terms of documentation, actually fares exceptionally well when compared to other ancient standards.